do my best, but everything seems ominous. Not feeling blessed, quite the opposite.